Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make sunsilk shampoo slime. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to pour these two shampoo into a bowl. You can take any shampoo. It's not like that you have to take only sunsilk. You can take Dove, Pantene, or any shampoo that is available at your home. And you have to mix it well, but keep in mind that you do not have to mix it too much, otherwise it will turn into a liquid and your slime won't work. Now add some salt in it to activate it, and then again mix it well. As you guys can see, it is really coming up together and it is so bulky. I love this slime. Our slime is ready. You can play with it all day you want, and your slime is ready. But if you will keep it for 2 days like this only, then you will be able to keep it in your hands. If you will keep it for 2 days, let's stand for